Hi Leute und willkommen zu einem neuen Vlog. Heute wollte ich euch ein bisschen mitnehmen zur Bonfire Night. Das ist nämlich so eine große Sache. Ich sitze hier gerade im Bus mit einer Freundin und wir sind auf dem Weg. Und ich wollte nur ein schnelles Intro filmen, also habe ich gar nicht so viel zu sagen. Und ich würde sagen, ja, let's get started. Are you excited?
I am excited.
What are you most excited about?
Seeing the differences between here and the US. Like, being able to enjoy it with like a bunch of people. Like, this is gonna be big and exciting.
Yeah. Oh my god, can you see? Oh my god, look how cool the sky looks in the camera. Can you see? Oh no, actually, it's, oh. Just noticed that's like a land that looks like, oops, it's not the sky. But the sky does look cool, really like Halloween-y, doesn't it?
It's like, I don't know if it's foggy or if that's just from like the fireworks.
Oh true, forgot about the fireworks. I literally just thought it was fog.
Well, it could be fog.
Yeah, it looks so cool. Oh wow, that looks really scary. Like, Halloween was last week, guys. Oh wow, so many people though.
It's like crazy.
I know, it's so, oh wow, it looks super scary. It looks like in a Halloween movie, you know, that I'm like looking at like all these people just walking.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the storm.
Are you ready for showtime? Welcome to the biggest movie theater ever.
Sit back, relax, get your popcorn out. This is going to be the best movie you've ever seen.
Are you going to help us count down? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Stuck in the stormy weather. Signs told us how we could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart.
Yes, I literally just thought the same. It feels like Disney World.
How it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
you? Like,
Of today?
yeah, like how did you like it?
It was amazing. One of the best firework displays I've ever seen for sure. I was emotional. You were emotional? I was emotional because they played Pirates of the Caribbean just like my childhood.
Oh.
The music and timing was so good.
To German people?
Night is.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
Tried to bomb Parliament, but he failed. So we celebrate that, which is weird, but okay.
Fair enough.